The BN-Link 8 outlet surge protector with 7-day digital timer is simple and easy to use. The surge protector has 4 timer outlets and 4 always-on outlets, and a 3.5-foot power cord, as well as a surge protection circuit breaker for safety. With up to 8 on-off programs, the product is ideal for home or office applications such as lighting, water coolers, or anything else. Let's start with the initial setup. First, if the screen is blank, plug the timer into an outlet for 30 minutes to charge the internal battery. Next, reset the timer with the tip of a small, non-metallic insulated tool, such as a pencil or a toothpick. The LCD display will turn on. Now, you can unplug and program the timer wherever you'd like. To set up the date and time, first press and hold the clock button, and press week until the day of the week is selected. Next, press and hold the clock button and press hour until the correct hour is reached. Then, press and hold the clock button and then press minute until the correct minute is reached. With programming, the 4 timer outlet can automatically turn on and off at the same time per week and only come on within specific days. We will set the outlets to turn on at 7:10 a.m. and to turn off at 9:10 p.m. for every weekday. First, press the program button to enter the program setting. Next, press the week button and keep pressing until you reach your preference with the 1 on displayed. Next, press hour button until the correct hour comes up that you want your device to turn on. Ensure that the AM or PM is correct. Then press minute until the correct minute comes up you want your device to turn on. Next, press program button to now set the off days and times by following the same steps. You can set up to 8 on-off programs by pressing program until you get to the other on-off programs. Press R on any program to erase and press R again to restore the same program. Once you finish setting your programs, be sure you're in auto mode so that the timer will run your programs by pressing manual for 5 seconds to toggle to auto. To override and turn off the programs, simply press manual to toggle to off. A small +1 will appear on the far right of the LCD screen when daylight saving time, referred to as DST, is active. To activate or deactivate the DST mode, press the hour and minute buttons simultaneously. Turning on this function will change the current time 1 hour ahead. Turning off the function will revert the change. Please note that the timer cannot adjust daylight saving time by itself. It must be manually enabled. It will not add an hour or subtract an hour on the program set by itself. You will have to manually change the hours in the on and off programs. For vacation security, use the random function. In order to use the random function, you must set at least 1 set of programs. To activate or deactivate the random function, press week and hour simultaneously. R and D will display on the screen when activated. When the timer is working in auto mode and random function is on, the previously programmed on and off times will be separately postponed by 2 to 32 minutes to simulate manual on and off by someone at home. Please note, a timer program will need to be 33 minutes or longer for the random function to work properly. Press the week and hour buttons again to turn off the random function. Note that the right 4 outlets are standard always-on outlets that will not be affected by the programs or options. For more information and troubleshooting, please check the instruction booklet that came with the device. Thank you for choosing BN-Link.